everyone, and welcome back to CSGO Roll. If you want to support me, you can use my code BERTIL1337. Click apply, you get 5% bonus to your deposit. Or if you are a new user to the site, you can go to the rewards section, type BERTIL1337, click claim, and you get 3 free cases where you can get a dragon lore. Almost no chance of getting the dragon lore, but who knows, maybe you're the lucky one. I have 51 coins today, so some small gambling. Let's see what we can get from it. As usual, I'm going straight to case battles today. And I'm hoping to get, I don't know, maybe a 2x. I don't know where I will be satisfied, but let's hope for a 2x to begin with. 3 cases. Let's go team battle, 15 coins. Let's go. Okay, yeah, there we go. We got an opponent. We got 2 opponents. Can we get someone with me? Everyone just wants to take my money. Nobody wants to share the profits with me. There we go. I have a brave soul believing in my good luck. I feel like I'm due some good luck. I always feel that though. 5 and 3, 7, 0. Okay, decent start. And that's a hit, miss, hit. Okay, we're in the lead, not by much. And no, that goes over. Oh, that's a hit though. 16 and 9. Okay, we win. And I think, okay, he only pulled 1.5. It's not a 2x. Okay, it's almost a 2x actually. That's more than I expected from that one. So that's decent. The site feels a bit slow today. There we go. Create duel. Add the box. I'm hoping you're all having a good, well, in Sweden we call it mellandagarna, like the days between Christmas and New Year's Eve. I'm having it alright. It's been raining a lot though, but that's fine. Not really, I hate the rain. Let's see, fancy or sneaky? Fancy has higher potential, so we go with that. 1-on-1 this time. How much was it? Like 20 something? 23 coins against Fnatte. I recognize that. I think I've faced him before. Quite a while ago though, but still. The fancy pants. Ever since I hit 800 or 900 coins on this, I've been doing it again. Although maybe I should have just stopped doing it once I had the luck. Okay, we're a bit behind. Can we have a hit on the last case? It's a tricky case to hit on. Okay, we can't see anything. Thank you, Roll. Thank you very much. It's the power core though, so we lose. Not really profit for the other guy as well though. Even, what is wrong with CSGO Roll today? Hey CSGO Roll, I'm trying to promote your site, so please work when I do. Okay. We are going right into another battle here. Let's go with the full force. And then a smaller case as well. A force field. Force field and full force. A 1-on-1 battle. Come on. Make it good. If I pull on either of them, it should be fine. Preferably the second one, because then it's like 50 or 80 or I don't know. Coin something. If I put on this one, just don't be the 11 coins. Make it like 25 coins. Please slow down. Well, fuck you too. That's a new thing. I used to be able to spam it as much as I wanted. Okay, come on. 2 cases. Is it time for me to pull now? Force field, high risk case. So I'll go over. No, it does not. But this is the important one. Let us pull from this case and we are fine. Go over. Yes. Good. Almost a 2x. We take it. That's good. Not really making profit though, just going back and forth at the moment. Is it time for another? Let's do a sneaky case. I want to see the launch hit. It's been a while since I've seen it hit. Back to team battles. I think I will pull good this battle as well though. But I wouldn't mind some help from ASAP Cocky. Come on now. Who dares to face us? Yeah, that's good. Press the emojis. We need the help of the emojis. We want money and luck. Money and luck. And some fire hits. Okay. Okay, there we go. One guy. Do you think that's the CSGO Pro? Nah, probably not. Would be fun though. But I doubt he would be level 25. Okay, come on. 3 cases again. Starting off with the sneaky case. Everyone miss. They hit a little bit better though. But that's not the important case. Okay, it's not looking good. Champion case, come on, give us a hit. That won't be enough. Yeah, not even close. Okay, we have 31.61 coins left. I'm believing in my tickets. I believe in my tickets. 30, what do I have? 1.5, like 3 coins. Let's do that one. 31.16. Yeah, let's go with that. An all-in hit, all-in battle now. I mean, we won one, but didn't make a lot of profit, so kept on going, and so far it's been a bad day. But if we win here, we might turn it around. Just give us a 60, 70 coin win here. That would be nice. Starting off with the crazy train. And in my point of view, he's wasting his ticket there. And I'll have the good ticket. Ooh, here. Yeah. Well, top hit was a bit much to expect. A bit much to hope for. 7 coins. That's no worries so far. Because we will hit here, surely. 2 coins. Yeah. Okay. We really need a hit on the launch case. And we did not. And it paid shit for that guy as well. Oh my god, today is a real bad day for us. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that wouldn't have been a win either way. Let's go down to 1.21 coins. Yeah. Ah, that wouldn't have paid anything. 4 coins, yeah. Well, this is how it goes when you gamble. You come in with big hopes and then you lose everything. But sometimes you win. Well, thank you all for watching. If you would like to support me, remember code Bertil1337. Press like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter. And do not gamble what you can't afford to lose. And have fun, everyone. Bye!